My name's Mary MacGill, and I'm a jewelry designer and shop owner. Working with jewelry has been incredible, and it's been a kind of a journey to figure out both the metals and the stones and how to use your tools. And that's taken a really long time just to get comfortable and to get fluent in that language. Block Island is pure magic. It is really unlike any other place that I've ever been, and it'll always be my heart. I mean, it literally takes your breath away when you come down the road. The store is a place where I can kind of bring all of my inspiration into one place so that people can feel not only the experience of the jewelry, but everything else that I'm looking at, whether it be artists that I admire or other clothing designers. It all sort of helps to tell the story of how I feel and how I want people to feel when they wear the jewelry. The best part of my day is when I leave the studio with my dog, Andy Bell, and we hop in the truck and we take a long walk. My work has always been deeply tied to the coastlines and the ocean and the feelings that those bring about. Block Island has big open fields with dried grasses and goldenrod. It's got waves in September, tremendous waves. And when you walk out to the end of that trail and you look out over the bluffs and all you see is ocean, and it just goes on forever.